Everyone, been cleaning up. Made a garbage and scrap pile there, tractor there, and then clean up here, sweep, and then moved 800 to right there against a wall. And we got the little heater going right there, and then we got the wood stove we put right there. I got to get some pipe for it, and I got to build some parts for it, and I got to make sure it's far enough from the wall and all the way around. But it's concrete, so it's, I mean, right there is probably because that's wood, and then right there's wood, and then there's wood beam right there, but both, it's all concrete, so. Then I gotta build a workbench to go right here. I'll probably put the toolbox in here, and gotta return that fan because that's too big, and yeah. Please subscribe and leave a like. Thanks. Catch you on the next one.